It's not a game. I'm being serious right now. I'm out.
Okay. I can't say I'm not disappointed, Jet, but if you're out, you're out.
Thank you. I'm out.
Well, I'm just happy that we can communicate openly and honestly. I think it says a lot about our relationship.
Wait, hold on, wait, what are you doing? Oh my God.
Here's the thing, though. There's only one way for you to get out.
What's that?
You gotta get in first.
What is it that...
Whoa. Take my gun, Jet. We may have to kill some people. Come on, it's not gonna bite you.
I will do no such thing.
I think you'll like it.
I will not.
You're gonna need it.
You're gonna need it. He's in here!
Jet!
He's in there! Bob's in there! He's got a gun! He's got a gun! He's out!
All right, I'm gonna need your improv skills.
What?
Hostage roleplay. You ready?
No!
Sweet, let's go.
No, I said no! I said no!
He's got a hostage!
Stop it! You won't get me killed! Oh, shit!
There we go, Jet. Come on. Hang tight, Jet.
No, I'm not doing anything! Stop including me in your stuff! Oh. Get him, Agent! Hit him with the stick! You gotta call me back! You got a banana!
Freeze!
Jet, help!
What?
Golden Jet. Help.
No, man! I'm not helping you!
Give me the gun!
Stop it!
Stop resisting!
No, let me go! Let me go! I'm trying to give it to you! Oh, shit! That was an accident!
Don't move!
No, stop! Listen to me!
Let's go.
Wait, come on, what are you... Ah! Come on, man! This has gotta stop! Okay? Up! Okay? Oh, God.
Show us your hands.
Drop your weapon! Do it now!
Ow!
Sorry, Jet.
It's over, Bob. Give up.
You know I can't do that, Pam.
Nowhere to run, Agent Stone. Just like Caracas.
Caracas would have worked if you trusted me like Calvin trusts me.
No, that is not true. I do not trust him. I do not trust him at all. As a matter of fact, this is a perfect time for us to clear this up, especially in the middle of this standoff. I shouldn't be here. So I feel like me being in the middle of this throws me in it. So let me exclude myself.
Hey, stay there! Don't move!
Okay, all right, I'll stay in.
I got a plan. Might get us both killed, but if it works, it'll be a totally boss story. Cool?
No, it's not cool.
Cool.
No, I said it's not cool. I said it's not cool.
Time's up.
You're right, Pam. My time is up. In 3, 2, 1.